My name is Akash. I am currently staying in Bangalore. I did my graduation in BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering under VTU University in Global Academy of Technology, Bangalore. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies and series, and listening to music. I had to know that one of my friend told about the Evision Technoserve. In Evision Technoserve, it is an IT requirement and consulting company. In Evision, I had joined online full-day internship under the guidance of IT managers and administrations. The internship program consists of virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, ITIL, and cybersecurity. In Windows administration, I learned about world group, DHCP configuration, domain joining, how to install Windows on domain network, Outlook configuration, and troubleshooting. In CCNA, I learned about network fundamentals, all protocols, routing and switching technology. In cybersecurity, I learned various hacking techniques using Cardio Linux. We practice a lot, and our trainer makes sure that we learnt every topic in practically and also in theoretically. The trainer teaching was very good. They regularly conduct us mock interview and it was helpful for interviews. And thank you.